It's the Rubicon Sports Show once again, Melunene. Our second episode review, or as you've already seen our first episode this week. We'll be running every Thursday evening, obviously. We hope you will get all you need to know about our sports issues, because we discuss serious sports issues. Right now, your host Chris Lamini and my colleagues Luciso Masilela are here. Maybe you can say something, Bongante, just to say hi to the public.
Sinebongela amasohla amahle ehlelweni nilithanza kakhulu iRubicon Media Sports Show.
Yes, kunjalo namuhla siniphathele indzaba lecishe ikhona letekwa cishe kuyo yonke imisakazo namaphephandaba laveni. Badlali be-Eritrea labaselela khaya eSwatini labayabonakala ukuthi basikhombisa. Sithathe sesibuke nje simo Vunganze ukuthi ngabe vele labantu labaselela khaya sibafuna nebukhoseli njengoba sivele nakuMenda sasho ukuthi cha indzaba lasayibukile naye ukuthi ubenda njani and utaba support ngendlela yonke because lana iSwaziland yadiwa njengelive elithulile. So abantu siye sibamukele nabo nabafika abantu bahambela khaya bative ukuthi cha eMaswati abantu abalungile abantu lokwenza bayafunganzwe yakwazi
Uteka yona Nkosi uteka yona Dlamini live leMaswati latiwa ngabo ukuthula nokulandzela imigomo lelive kade lase-Africa leholwa nge-African Union. Ngeke uhulumende wangani ube sebambisana nayo indlunkulu ebhola eSwatini wabona kufanele ukuthi lamajaha ase-Eritrea wafihlisa inhloko eveni laseSwatini kusapota ukuthi angasidakala njani njengoba sesivile Nkosi ngato tindlela tekuchumana ukuthi siko sekuphila siko lesikahle e-Eritrea bantu bakhona baphatheke kahle babukele nje nabadzala bangakhumbula ukuthi nomnyaka we-86 bathi nakudlala iqembu leBafana Highlanders leqembu lase-Eritrea lekuthiwa i-Asmara FC kwaba namajana amabili bekuthiwa i-Isas na-Isak labagcina baselele khona la eveni nakangani ngekuthi babakhala ngabo ukuthi eveni nabo lase-Eritrea baphatheke kahle noma lamajana amabili agcina ahambile ayohlala khona evekati nase-Australia Dlamini.
So akusiko kuqala Mvunganze ukubandeka vele indzaba lenzala because nawubuka nabo BBC ubuka nama-international sites uyukhanze kunema-interviews alabadlali kumbe labahamba kadzena nawubuka nje kumabonakude bakutshela ngabo over 60 players lasebahambile already sesitawungedala labalesihlanu lasebakhona lasebaselela Swatini nokusho ukuthi yinto lengalehlale yenteka but-ke asesingene deep ukuthi kwantiwa yini Mvunganze nawubuka lapha kumabonakude simo sase-Eritrea leyocishe labanye bayibika njenge-North Korea of Africa labanye ndibayade North Korea ukuthi it's a very authoritarian country lapho kunaKim as the president naye lobusa ngendlela yakhe kangangobe bane-internet yabo kodwa na-TikTok wabo kodwa longabonwa nabanye amave nase-Eritrea ke bekunene cishe kunjalo Mvunganze nawubuka khona bakhaliswa labantu ukuthi khona you are forced for i-national service njengasibungenele emasotsha from 12-year-olds sebaphushwa emasotsheni kanti nawubuka bakhala ukuthi okay siyangena emasotsheni but there is no compensation if ikhona iba incane kakhulu but nawubuka vele bathi we work there for years and forced to do things that ingasiko humanitarian like ubukele bantu lengeke ngikusho lamoyeni but lokunye bakhona kufaka ema-abuse ema-rights abantu njengabantu abasikade ukhanjise ba-abuseka ngendlela thile and when at 12-year-old usuphethe esibhamu and you are forced to do these things nginetipho leto lokunye labakhala ngato ukuthi cha ayisiyo vele kahle lempilo kangangobe bayabaleka but they still put their families and relatives at risk nalabaselele emuva.
Uteka yona Dlamini sesivile Nkosi ukuthi evekati lase-Eritrea simo lesekuhlala kahle asiso lesikahle ngicabanga ukuthi mhlabuhlangene nayo inhlangano African Union tafuna sebasithathe sebakubuka ngalamanye amehlo bafake ipopolo sebake beneliphende ngendlela abantu labaphatheka ngayo eveni lase-Eritrea nebabukele ekhaya batawukhumbula nje ukuthi umdlali lo odlala eqenjini leLiverpool Alexander Isak uyintanelo nayo khona e-Eritrea lokuvakala ukuthi batali bakhe bahamba naye asesemncane wagcina akhulele evekatini laseSweden lagcina ngcono ukuthi alimelele Nkosi kuto tebhola letinyawo ngicabanga ukuthi abantu base-Eritrea live leliphezela tiwa ngawo umdlalo wamabhayisikili siyawakhumbula nje badlali bamabhayisikili lokufaka phakathi sibo Ian McTell naye lo limelela kwelive lase-Eritrea kepha lokuvakala bathi uhlala evekatini lase-Europe ngathi kuna tindzaba tenhlala kahle mlaleli.
Kukhona lapho futhi usakhuluma nje abadlali abanjengalo ku-Alexander Isak nyalo badlala nakudlala nesihlanu bebana 14 ama-internationals baqhamuka cishe nakhona endlini bakhona bo-Italy bo-France bo-Sudbo emavela njengabo-Switzerland abadlala khona bo-Greece enobuka akusiko ukuthi kungemula the male players only siyathola nokuthi even the women national team yona ke yabaleka e-Uganda nje cishe a majority of the lady players babaleka shortly before a game yangadlalwa leyo game yabizwa wagcina naCAF sekafaka ema-sanctions ba-withdrawa vele bahlala lo-19 years bangakadlali baze badodlala nesihlangu namuhla. Siyabona ukuthi shothi le mpilo ayisiko lula lapho abakhuluma nangabo-political repression lapho ukuthi the leadership le regime lekhona is so strict and ifaka the surveillance la kubo kakhulu kangangobe there's no personal freedom kude ema-opportunities kumbe kulabo bantu kanti phela la uphila emhlabeni kunalama-human rights nekumele ahambe wonke umuntu abe ne-equal opportunity to make life. Ngitho ukuthi ngivetinwa letinye letibakhalisa kakhulu and uyabona ukuthi kunale fear of persecution e-Eritrea awumane uhambe nje bekumele uyahamba ngokuthi unesibinzi noma uthole leyo permission kulabo labaphethe live wahamba kwatholakala sikuphumile la ubuya kunale fear persecution ukuthi ungahle uthathwe to task ngemthetho thina engabhlungu upanishwa kabhlungu because uhambile wona bayabelinye live so kungako bagcine bangabuyela bashintshwe inhlobo tabo labanye bangaphinza batibona labanye they make means ukuthi bagcine labantu bafikile lawo mave labakile siyesibona ukuthi nale bagumbe live libe nempi kakhulu maybe iminyaka efika ko 30 years Mozambique siyibonile nayo ibe nabo 18 years isempini but ibhola yabo iyadlala iyachubeka iyathuthuka kodwa nabo bemavela nje ngabo Eritrea shothi vele after the war lama-effects akhona abonakala ukuthi le live liphethwe military so labantu akusiyo impilo labayifunako lawo the high volume disappearances there masilele. Now what 2019 we had like 7 players defected in Uganda senior national team the male team. Then 2016 others vanished during a SISAFA tournament. Kwaba nema-withdrawals nawubuka but nyalo lobabisela kuvunganze nawubuka yini kakhulu ngabe nama-fines aCAF lasenyukiwe nawubuka CAF ukhuluma ngabo $300,000 namthinta $300,000 namuhla it's around 5 million it's 4.9 million imali leyo lengasita live lonke kuletinye ama-projects ukuthi bandathole imisebenzi so uyibeka phi Eritrea nyalo if lokho kuqhubeka should they withdraw should they continue should they face these fines asho ukuthini i-economy yabo nama-fines kangaka if they withdraw phinze ba-tournaments abo-CAF nabo-FIFA.
Ngicabanga ukuthi inkosi abantu base-Eritrea kufuna ukuthi babuyele endleni kagogo kuqala uhulumende wabo baqale batifune ukuthi yini level lento ukuthi abantu base-Eritrea bangafuni usekunda level labo bangafuni ukuthi bagcine imvelaphi yabo ukuthi bakhona ukumela level labo emidlalweni yanto ibhola letinyawo naleminye imidlalo. Cabanga ukuthi lokho kune-level sekulendela phasi kakhulu nakutemnotho njengoba sathi sebhola letinyawo liyakhona ukuthi kuthuthukise temnotho nangabe edlala lenye live nje kuyathuthukiseka naloko emahhotela nato tetindiza nabomakela abathengisako eveni nabomasomabhizinisi labancane bakhona ukuthi bathole lokuthinte lokho ethunjini ukuthi nato temidlalo nkosi.
Ngiyadivela ke kunene ngicabanga ukuthi lempilo lesiyichazako la impilo lekhona le reality e-Eritrea kumbe nakulamanye amave bayayibona but thina sesikhuluma nganali leselifikile lakhaya nathi satibonela abadlali basala lekungasikwe kucala kumbe kwenteka ngoba basala nangale 86 lababili nokusho ukuthi vele buhlobo beSwatini ne-Eritrea baqala ngalo 1986 akusikwe kucala nje sitawusita abantu bakhona silive kuyabonakala ke futhi nalokuthi vukanze lena vele they even use the word hellish existence. This is what they're afraid to return to. They say we can't return to hellish existence. When we interview one of the players when 35 years, the Wajala Eritrea. We are just now Wabalega, Bibajala Ethiopia. What could have for India, Hamba, the family of White on Sayong. So they interviewed him, but most of them are Funi Fetemakamako because they suffered with Pataba Chekapek, but to take the military punishment. So that is where we are at Eritrea. Moving on from Ganze, we've got the Ingonyama Cup, the Suganamundegani, since Sabona Ingonyama Yata and the women tournament. There's a corner, the Shisago now, the Makota finals in the weekend. Then we've got the main tournament, the Postna 4, what teams as I said, from the 32 Lakala. Nakona Bona Nakema semi-finals Sunday, the Moufu, so there's a Pekona. We also have the Maristan finals in Shanghai. Na corner Bonema finals at Crown of the Nyama Cup, Ninja the Sugar Nanga in the Nyama, good culture foods in the name. Never could have died bona, finals which I got 3. La Costa Kichima corner, Nancy Stevens, Buswa debate, Kanyangani, my sports cards, enjoy. So I'm a good enjoy because no more times you put no more times over temple Pumelena. But you can't go past a little Uma Uswat. kunjalo bekunene singayithinta nje ngoba sike sayikhulumisa last week but ema-team afungelene and siyacabanga ukuthi nanamuhla batawuchubeka bafungelane nje njalo nga-1 PM PLE ubabetile lapha e-pre-match nitawutivela nabo batikhulumela ukuthi kulungiswe ngoba sebabonile ejimini ukuthi bani ukhona bani akekho bani ufit sebayile nalabaya khona kumbe bahamba bayo-check-a ukuthi ama-games abo atawulunga boma-medical doctors sebasebenile la kumele basebenze khona afunganza kube basichazela kakhulu nganayo i-women because lena sika sayikhulumisa kakhulu.
Mlangeni lena indlebe lesengene esigabeni sayo sesibili kulandzela ukuthi ingonyama Inkosi Mswati wesithathu nokungelwe ehlahlandlela ingonyama cup la kubona kufanele ukuthi sale kufaka bomake kudawusike kule mpela sondlo lesikiyo lapha endzawona yabo lobambe technical center leyakhiwa ngeyo inhlangano yebhola yaseSwatini Eswatini Football Association kubhaka nemacembu lamaningi lokufaka ekhathini lababambe lesicoco lokuyi-Young Buffaloes Ladies letabe ibhekene nesidwashini FC Ladies kase ukuthi lababo number 2 esigabeni sekucala nayicala lenza lokuyinsinizini Ladies ibhekana nayo i-Rand but ngicabanga taba ngomdlalo lamatima lona dlamini cabanga ukuthi singaganza ema-upsets lama-game lawa kude ukuthi lona indlovu lenzala lena indlovu lencane taba ngomdlalo lamatima sibheke ukuthi tasiphela impela sonke sibe sinawo amacembu lamane latawucobekela esigabeni lesitako salenzeka Nkosi.
Sibona insingizini Hotspurs the ladies sibona abashisa njengalabo bhuti nalabo for the first time iBuffalo iva ngathi solo kube khona insingizini siyaqala kuyibona iba ngaphasi kwayo idliwe futhi labo cishe sebakhombisile amandla abo besingizini ukuthi bangayisusa vele dominance iBuffaloes cishe isikhathi esiningi was only challenged by iWanderers at some point yakhona kamba kuKhosafa ayiyomela iWanderers but after that phinze abuyele iBuffalo ya dominator kodwa nabo ifikile insingizini ladies. We see the competition now buka nje league the standings lapha ku women league ubona emaqembu la njengensingizini neWanderers nayo iBuffalo nabo green number nele practice balungisile then we also have the teams la sakhula now wabona ukuthi maybe in next season or in 2 seasons time like for AS Interladies they'll be forced to be reckoned with and nakhona lapho le tournament singagadzani final sibonile iBuffalo njalo nensingizini yaphumelela ku first edition but nyalo ubonakala insingizini enemandla kakhulu ngathi ngabe kwentiwa yini kumbe umphathi unaka konke ngala kuba nale senior team uyayibona konke kuhambisana nalo kwenye ka senior team ne-ladies team bana
cabanga ukuthi Nkosi lokhu kubangelwa i-investment le into yabe kubaphathi bensingizini Hotspurs lehola ngoye umnumzana Derek wabashiba nokukhomba kuba nelithando lelikhulu ngelibhola letinyawo simbonile athatha sinyathelo lesithe qatha wahamba wayeZimbabwe walenza umdlalo watiwako la kaSadak region lokuthiwa good washe Basopo baqalisa babukele batamkhumbula kulenzebe ecala waba i-top goal scorer ye-tournament cabanga ukuthi dlamini labanye baphathi bamaqembu baka-women nayo inhlangano edlalisa ibhola kanye ne-Football Association bafuna babone kumcoka bekuthi utshale imali ebholeni labomake nawungathinza nje njengoba uthinze i-AS Interladies ngicabanga ukuthi iholwa ngusabelo wakadlamini lohlabhaka lobamba lo wakhe badlali abaningi abasabakiso sithebe semhlekazi ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kuhambisana nelithando but lokho kumcoka kakhulu keke ukuthi kube ne-investment lapho ukuthi utawutshela khona imali labantwana banakekeleke inhlala kahle bakhona ukuthi baye etikolweni babe naso isikhathi sokuthi batilolonge Nkosi.
Asisupporteni ngevunganza ibhola ngicabanga ukuthi lokubukela kwekhaya labanye ndisebake bayibukele women football yala khaya bayibona ukuthi iyathuthuka kancane kancane and nasikhuluma ngala ma-team esikhuluma ngawo nje sikhuluma ngema-team lawa kumbe bewahlala abo-Tinvas but namuhla abo-AS Interladies teams you want to associate with as anyone nje lokhona kutemdlalo because khona bakwendawo lokahle to try and catch up with the team njengeBuffalo lebonakala for a long time women football have been a force angobelana ngaphandle bayamangala ukuthi kanti idlala nodwa yini kodwa kusiko kanjalo no kunye nokwendeka kweveni so move on maybe siye kusikhulume nangaDempeleto because now dikhona kusukela ku development we know tennis has been there for a while kangangobe bagcina sebakhelene ama-courts la cishe a-classic a-professional lapha kakubamba. That's how serious the sport has developed and has been treated. Maybe when you have better knowledge ngale tennis the sponsorship especially ibhakele khona even eMaswati iSwaziland Building Society which we call SBS Tennis the tournament yabo. Asesikhulume ngayo Nkosi ngoba ngathi iyama-finance this weekend.
Udeka yona Nkosi utawuthi lembe lasondlo lapha eUniversity yaBangwane eMathapa kudlala emacembu lamane kutawuqala eMalozas inkosi lapho lecembu lengwetsi litawudibana ne-recreation tabe sekuthi emva kwesikhashanyana nje i-res bafana abashukela babhekana nayo emathapha lapho kutawuphuma shampeni wakulo mnyaka weVekatini laseSwatini lona mdlalo nkosi utawusita ukuthi inhlangano eSwatini National Tennis Association ikhona ukuthi ibe nebadlali labatahamba bamemelele level kangwane kuma-SADC Championships lapho ke ukuthi onke amave alangendaskwesizwe saseNingizimu Afrika ayadibana khona nkosi kuze ukuthi abonakale ukuthi axoxelana njani nekuthi lo mdlalo uyathuthuka yini eVekatini lase-Afrika.
Ikhona indima ivunganze ngoba sikhuluma ngelibhange nasikhuluma nje ukuthi lo mdlalo usekelwe i-SBS umuntu uyafuna kwathi ukuthi shothi kunemali lekhona kumbe nalofuna ukuyidlala kusasa nemfana yakhe ufuna ukufunda i-tennis atowadi ukuthi athi ngilawukhona ukuthi mfana makadlala lapha khona nekuthi ahlabuya la something basa winele leyo ndondo khona ukubhadala isikole ngoba siyathi ukuthi tingo tiyadula ngamalanga futhi
tikhona nkosi tikhona manje kubhekekile ukuthi kubashampeni balenzele bathole imali ecishe ingabadinga ngo-10,000 noku-10,000 nomalangeni kule kuyimali le khanje ukuthi labo phansi bemacembu basiya imali abayisebenzisa baye babe kwedidzinge ukuthi labo bantu badala badlalela lamacembu cabanga ukuthi singabonga nje libhange leMaswati Social Building Society ngekuthi lifake isandla kulona mdlalo lo khanza kusiphambilini awutholi ukwesekeleka kahle ngetimali nkosi.
Hayi no siyawuva bongaze abantu sibe siyativela ukuthi minyenti imidlalo le lapho abantwana mina sibakhuthaze khona ukuthi bangene ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi le temidlalo dinayo impilo kanti imisebenzi bathuka imisebenzi yabonakala shabalala but nawungala mdlalweni cha impilo ikhona sibuka nje nalana ngesheya siyabona na ukuthuka la kangwane uyangesheya baphila ngato le temidlalo lapho khona kube they are even more professional nathi ke as a developing country that is where we wanna go because it's been as competent nabo labantu ma international stages like big tournaments or Commonwealth Games la khona nje Scotland this year nyalo ngabo singakahambi netinyanga letingaki phinza kube khona kuba Olympic Games lapho abantwana bethu beMaswati baphinza bahambe ngomela live khona bakhanze kumbe basalele kumva ukuthi kumbe le sport namanye amavela bakhompitha nawo vele basebenza sona kuphela nje umfana uyasuka anikwe leyo budget ukuthi wena ngusela ama-Olympics for 6 months kulungisela ama-Olympics noma for 2 years isebenza ngaleyo budget nathi lesikubonayo kumbe iwoka angizama labantwana abantu sibo high performance program nathi siyabena uthi nathi lokho vukanze khona
uteka yona nkosi kwathi eminyakeni letindlulile lapha ehotela laseGeorge induna yemidlalo Muzibongana kanzima nayo inhlangano ka-IOGA balontsha lihlelo le-National Sports Program lelisinika ukuthi emva kweminyaka lelishumi lesikiyo nkosi livele kangwane lekhona ukuthi le-compete effectively kuyemidlalo yema-Commonwealth Games nama-Olympic Games njengoba kuvakele phambilini nkosi nalo liphepha ndzaba lethu le-Eswatini Financial Times ukuthi live laseSwatini litawukhompitha emidlalweni thide yema-Commonwealth Games lokubheka ukuthi abase-Scotland neminyaka wa-July kuya ku-August lapho sitawuchuzelana namanye amave emidlalweni wesibhakela nemidlalo wematubane nkosi nawo umdlalo wedebhokosha lapho sibheke khona ukuthi boThabiso Dlamini ka-boxing naThabiso Mpilonhle Dlamini ka-boxing basimelele lapho Dlamini lapho sibheke khona ukuthi babhukushi bethu labafaka ekhathi boHeli wakaHoyi nabo Child wakaNing lo ticocesha khona eVekatini lase-Hungary basimelele singeMaswati lokho kutaphinza kusite nkosi ukuthi nasihamba siya kuma-Olympics ama-2028 tabe se-Los Angeles sikhona ukuthi nathi kumbe sibe nabo lokunako hle sitakuphatha esandleni singeMaswati ngokulandzela ukuthi indvuna yetemidlalo babenzima alahambisana nenhlangano ka-IOGA bakugcizelela lokuthi labantwana asebaqeqesheke bacela nokuthi tinkampani de-7 eSwatini tikhona ukuthi tisekele temidlalo ngo-2020 imali ukuze ukuthi abantwana bakhona ukuthi baqeqesheke emaveni lamanye lasekuthuthuka temidlalo sibonile phambili nje siba nayo isibusiso sazibhuthiwa kamathenjwa lokungakayitholi indondo ngama-medal kuma-Olympic Games kepha ukhonile ukuthi afike kuma-semi-finals ema-Olympic Games lebekase-Tokyo eJapan ngomnyaka wa-2022 wahamba eBirmingham kuma-Commonwealth Games wafika khona kuma-semi-finals lokho lokukhomba ukuthi sinabo ilithalente eVekatini lakangwane kepha sidzinga bona kusebenza imali Dlamini.
Hayi mina ngiyadivela emathuba lakhona ngalakutemidlalo nekugibela indiza nje uyakuyendela ngekuthi wena uyabonakalisa ithalente lakho ngalakutemidlalo asesingene eVunganze kunayo lekhona lamalanga lesiyibukelayo lenganalisibani Champions League UEFA sibonile sibonile itolo kudlalwa kaMantima kusukela umbanga lesibili kuma quarter finals la bewashubile ama-team lamakhulu bo-Real Madrid labatiwa as the kings of the tournament by virtue of ukuthi bayiwina kanye libanjalo ama-team. We saw Barcelona all Spanish teams. Barcelona nabo benemlando omuhle ebholeni and baphumela abantu badlala ibhola lenhle njengathi. Nalamagoli washaya badliwe ekhaya uyabuya Barcelona wina away but it was not enough. Iyabuya Madrid yabashaya amagoli but Bayern Munich was still good enough to advance because they win 4-3 ekhaya and now aggregates a favor. The Spanish teams are not for them. Aphumile njalo so we are looking forward to the semi-finals lapho sesibona khona i-PSG iya ku-Bayern nabanye bathi the final before the final. Kune-Atletico Madrid ne-Arsenal iyoshuba naleyo game nakuwa ukuthi i-Arsenal i-strugglishile already ku-Sporting CP yaphuma ngawanzi kwa-aggregate. Lo mdlalo loyo Vunganze kuMaswati ayawulandzelela awalali uyabona kuma-comments ngasasekuseni sekuhlekwana ukuthi bani banakekho wena ungabe wakuphi Vunganze.
Ukuthi inkosi singabathathi badoda emidlalo singabheka emidlalo yesezimeni elisetulu kulama semi-final sokwachazela umbukeli lapho sitawubona khona ama-Bavarians lokwe-Bayern Munich yaseGermany lehola nebobo France Beckenbauer wakwadlala kilo live laseJalimane
favorites now.
According to me, siteka yona Dlamini i-Bayern Munich itawubhekana nalo lecembu le-Paris Saint-Germain lekinye bo-champion balenze bela bayithatha eminyakeni lophelile. Kase lo mnye umdlalo eMaganas aseLondon ile-Arsenal ibhekana naye-Sporting CP yasePortugal ibhekana naye nje ne-Atletico Madrid yaseSpain lebucise tingculuculu lokuthiwa i-Real Madrid ema-Galacticos lapho abaningi bathi i-Real Madrid itawenta kangcono kepha singabheka nje imidlalo lesezingeni lesetulu ngekubuka kwami nangebo ngolwandla mnenalo lincane letemidlalo ngicabanga ukuthi i-Bayern Munich nayo i-Atletico Madrid ngibola abantu akhona osibosimelela kuma-final ayi-UEFA Champions League kepha ababukeli bangabheka umdlalo lomatima adlalweni kakhulu losezingeni lesetulu njengoba sathi ukuthi indebe ye-UEFA Champions League ilandzelwa umhlaba wonke jikelele.
Hayi kona kunjalo Vunganze utaba mnanzi umdlalo bekunene sinivalelisa nje sinishiya nalento le-Champions League nato tonke lesisikhulumile sethembe ukuthi nitawuchubeka nisilandzelele kepha lematima leli lenithandzako nalo nithandza kakhulu. Sibonge bekunene until next week. Sure.